Ever wanted a digital twin to explore the vast possibilities of Higgsfield? Today, we're making that a reality. First things first, dive into Higgsfield and locate the avatar creation suite. You'll find it prominently featured on your dashboard or within the main menu, typically labeled as Avatar Creator or My Avatar. While Higgsfield offers some fantastic starter models, our goal is a true digital doppelganger. Skip past the presets and find the option to begin from scratch or import a reference. This is where the magic begins. Now, we're entering the real sculpting phase. Higgsfield's tools are incredibly intuitive. Pay close attention to your own facial structure. Use the provided sliders and manipulation tools to meticulously adjust the head shape. From the forehead to the chin, focus on mirroring your unique bone structure. Your jawline, your cheekbones, the width of your nose bridge. The eyes are often called the windows to the soul. So let's get these right. Select your eye color from the palette. Then dive into the finer details. Adjust the iris shape, the pupil size, and even add subtle variations in color to replicate your natural gaze. Skin tone can be tricky, but Higgsfield provides a comprehensive palette. Work with the color picker and fine-tune the saturation and brightness until you achieve a shade that perfectly matches your complexion. Don't forget to consider any subtle undertones you might have. Hair is another critical element. Explore the vast library of hairstyles. Find one that closely matches your natural cut and texture. Then use the color tools to perfectly replicate your hair color, including any highlights or natural variations. To truly embody your personality, we move to attire. Higgsfield offers a wide array of clothing and accessories. Choose outfits that resonate with your personal style. Think about your common wardrobe choices or pieces that express your individuality. With careful attention to detail in each step, you've now created a highly personalized avatar in Higgsfield. This isn't just a digital representation. It's your gateway to a new dimension. Go forth and explore.